Place it down on it.
Did I do my cluster charge? It's right here.
Oh, watch out.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Oh!
Nicely done, Blake.
Get in here, get in here,
I'm
get in
defusing,
here.
I'm defusing.
Oh! Let's go!
Let's go. That was amazing.
I'm clipping this!
Blake,
That's a
way
clip!
to go.
I threw her. Okay, it was a scuffed grenade, the first one. It hit my shield. You guys had to run away. I ran into OBJ because I couldn't run out in time, so I was like, I gotta run further in. The other grenade I threw killed both of them. I'm laying down with like little health because they're lighting me up as I'm running in, and then I killed the other guy.